From this video, you will learn how to make $4.2 million per year or $352,000 per month without a website, without technical skills, without investment. 100% beginner friendly. You can do it even if you have never made a single penny online. It takes only copying and pasting with your mouse and keyboard and 5 to 10 minutes of your time per day. And you can start getting results even if you have zero experience. You should watch this video no matter where you're from because it works from any country. The technique is laid out in a step-by-step manner in this video, so make sure you watch the full video. And if you miss any section, you might not be able to make money in this system. All you need to do is to take one simple action that I'm going to share with you in a moment and use my premium software, but free for you, my YouTube viewers. You will find the access link in the description, and in the later part of the video, I will show you how it works step by step simply by copying and pasting. In this method, we will take advantage of crazy interest of millions of people on a certain thing that literally is endless. Every day there is something new. Others are doing all the hard work. We will simply copy, paste, and cash out. I'm really excited to have you here because you are going to start getting results today. But before we begin, please like our video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you will learn how to make money online. You will help others learn how to make money online, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. My name is Mosh Bari and I'm online since 2010 and currently running a 7-figure per year software company. We have more than 100,000 happy clients, customers, and users of our products and softwares worldwide. Let's start with a little story. A person who was basically my customer contacted me saying he wants to make money. He started learning from YouTube videos, and he said he used to watch a lot of YouTube videos to learn. Before he finished one video, he got bored and moved to the next video. After watching 5, 10, or 15 videos in a row, he would go back to square one, same confused as before. He would still find himself lost because he did not watch any video entirely. So he never learned any lesson, any technique completely, any system that he could implement from start to finish and actually get results. As he was not learning anything completely, he never got results. There were some results here and there, but nothing significant and nothing reliable or consistent. The result was zero. He was going broke. I asked him to watch one video, so I thought for a moment and advised him to watch one video in front of me on the live call. I asked him to take quick notes of what's discussed at which time of the video on a paper using a pen. Then share the video with his friends and share the summary of the video as well in a few sentences. He followed my advice and got full information about the video. He made a quick summary on his notebook. Then he shared both the video and the summary with his social media contacts. This tiny little action literally opened his eyes for the first time. He realized that the concept of the video was much clearer to him. He remembered what he learned in the video, and upon my second advice, he used what he learned immediately. He implemented it on the live call and got results instantly. Since then, he never had to look back, and now he's a well-known graphic designer, and basically he does most of our sales page designs. These sales pages bring in 7 figures in sales per year for us. What's the lesson from this? Watch this video fully and completely. Don't skip any section. Take quick and short notes and then share the video and the short notes with your friends and family on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, on WhatsApp. If you need, watch again. Then use what you learned. Everything I will show you here is free. You don't need money. All you need is tiny actions that will make you money. You ready? Let's go! Before we go, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way You learn how to make money online. Your friends and family and social media contacts learn how to make money online, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next video. Every year, if not every month, a lot of movies are released. People love to watch those movies and they are interested to know more about those movies. They want to hear more about the movies. People like to know behind the story of the movies. And people want to know the summary of the movies before watching the movie and after watching the movie. And when someone makes a summary of the movies, people would like to watch that, share those summaries to their friends and family. This way, more and more people know about them. Before a movie is released, the movie makers, producers, the movie companies, before a movie is released, the movie companies market it really well. They go all in, let the whole world know about the upcoming movie because they want everyone to watch that movie so they can make money. We are going to take advantage of millions of people's interest and the hard work behind marketing of the movies. So in the YouTube, you will find channels like Mystery Recapped. Although they have only 1.8 million subscribers, which is not important at all, if you look at their videos, each video got thousands if not millions of views. On the screen you can see a video just published 5 months ago got 13 million views, another one 10 million, another one 8.5 million. All these videos are 10, 11 to 15 minutes long. What are they? They are nothing but summary of the movie or a certain part of the movie. From socialblade.com, we can see this channel makes approximately $352,000 per month and $4.2 million per year from YouTube AdSense alone, which means when YouTube runs advertisements on their videos, these channel owners make this much money. Again, by doing what? Using other people's movies. They are not stealing the movie. They are not the ones doing the copy and pasting. They are simply rewriting the story or the summary of the movie or a portion of each movie in 10 to 20 minutes video. Now, 10 minutes video takes approximately 1,500 words. How do you write a story like this? To write movie summaries without you writing a single word, just by copying and pasting, you can use a software like Jasper. This is what we do. We use Jasper. In Jasper, you can go to templates. So by the way, Jasper is not free, but there are free AI softwares, links will be in the description, that you can use instead of Jasper. But Jasper is the top level one. So in case you can afford Jasper, go for it. And in case you are in any kind of writing job, Jasper is where you want to go. Go get the free software from the link in the description and start from there. Now there are so many templates that you can use. You can use the text summarizer and then go to Google and search for summary of any movie. Let's say summary of Squid Game movie. So this is the Squid Game movie summary. I will show you how Jasper works. Copy this, paste it here, and you can use maximum 600 characters by the way. But in case you go for the boss mode, then you can use the long form. Start from scratch, Control V the whole thing, and you can say rewrite the above or summarize the above. You can give Jasper an instruction and the software will follow. You see the software is writing using AI. Now this text you see is completely unique and it's your text. Although you copied and pasted and did nothing else, now you have a rewritten story that you can use in your video. Now you're going to use my software that's coming to you for free, link in the description. You can use any AI software, you can use Jasper, or you can directly use my software that has AI built in. Everything you need to make videos and make money like this is in Epic. It's free, go get from the description. Let's create a new video, Squid Game, click vertical, click create. In Epic, you can literally take any image, copy the image address or image URL and paste it right here, and the image is right here, right? To make it dramatic, make it larger, tilt it a little bit, and you want to add this text smaller or bigger, you can easily copy and paste or you can use the text generator. Click here. Now there are two options. You can use AI that is built in, but the AI may give you some random results, which may not be the thing you are looking for. So the safe is to use Spinner. Spinner will rewrite the text the same thing but rewritten, 100% grammatically correct, and this is the best spinner paid by us for you. Spin the text and the text is spun. Now text is rewritten. You can copy, you can use it here if you want. We use text a lot. You can just go to audio. Either you can add your own voiceover or upload any voice file, or click the text to audio section, give it a name, select your favorite voiceover, and then Ctrl V, submit. Now the software will create voiceover for you. Now look at this.
The series revolves around Seong Ji-han, a divorced as well as indebted chauffeur.
Good? Okay. Now if you don't like this voiceover, it's not natural, although it's very natural. But if in case you don't like, you want it to be more natural, go ahead, use your own. Simply record from here. Hey, I am recording my voiceover because I did not like the naturality of the voiceover that software creates. So I like my voiceover, I'm adding mine. Stop, name it, okay, go to recorded audio section and play. Hey, I am recording my voiceover. Simple, add it, and in this video this is added. Now let me show you our work that we have already done. This is the video that we made. It's a short, less than 1 minute long, in bite size, all done by copying and pasting. And we added voiceover, text, images just the same way. Once the video is done, we click render and the video is created in the background. Once the video is ready, we get an email, we download the video, upload it on YouTube, and get traffic. Those views, those traffic make us money like this. Now, this is not our channel. We make money in different way because our niche is different, but you can make it this way using other people's interest about movies, other people's creations of movies, other people's written content, copying and pasting in my software. That's it. All the links are in the description. Go get them, start using them right now. I hope you took some notes using your pen and your paper just like we do, and the friend we talked about, who is very much successful. If you do this, you will be successful as well. I want to share a quick stats of our channel. This channel right here, we got 22,000 views in last 28 days, which is nothing big, but our niche is different and we are growing. If you look at the top videos, you see this is a shorts, this is another shorts, this is another shorts, and if you look at our shorts, you will see a lot of views, and these views are growing because more people are watching. YouTube is sending more people to watch our videos. From those views, we are making money, and you can make money too. We are using our softwares to get views and get results. You can use our software for free, link in the description, get views and get results. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. As this way, you learn how to make money online, your friends learn how to make money online, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next money making video. This will come with awesome new unique techniques step by step, and will definitely come with our softwares 100% free. Links will be in the description. Go get them and do all those things, and we will see you in the next video.